Hi, welcome to Physio with Nish. Before I show you some strength training exercises, I would want you to know that certain things about strength training, like why in the first place would you want to train your strength? Okay, for obvious reasons, for stronger muscles, right? Why do we need stronger muscles? Because an adult, on an average, loses about 3 to 5% of muscle mass every decade. This becomes about 15% once you're 50 years and older, and about 30% when you're 70 years and older, right? So we definitely want to prevent that loss of muscle mass, because these muscles, strong muscles, are going to help you maintain a good posture. They're going to help you to do your tasks more easily. They're going to prevent your joints and from degenerative changes and arthritic changes that they go through with age, because they thicken the cartilage and the ligaments around the joint, so they actually support you while you're doing your task, make it easy for you, make it I mean, just simple, and it just happens in a flow without you really feeling the stress on your joints. Okay, so that's number one reason why we want to train our muscles and strengthen them. And you might want to know that we are not using strength training to lose weight per se. Okay, we do not really lose any weight, but what happens is we increase our lean muscle mass, because of which you're going to actually boost up your metabolism, and because of which you're going to eventually lose more weight. Okay, now who is it for? Who needs to strength train? I would say everyone needs to strengthen their muscles. Okay, so whether you're a sedentary person or you're an active person, you still want to level up your strength a little bit, okay, to meet your day-to-day needs. Of course, if you're a sports person, you're into your hobbies are something that requires a little more further strengthening and for certain few muscles, you might want to do that also, right? So everyone, just that for the children, we do not want to kind of give them excess weights from the outside. We don't want to kind of load their spine for sure. So that's what we want to take care of. Otherwise, everybody benefits with strength training. What kind of strength training can you do? So basically, now in the lockdown, I think the best form of strength training is using your body weight. In case you don't have any weights, body weight works great. Only problem with body weights is progression becomes not so easy. So you would progress in the way of progressing your repetitions or your sets or the time that you're holding the weight, holding the exercise, right? So that's what you want to do. And if you want to use weights, we have a water bottles, we have some books around. You can use any weight that's around that you can grab onto and still do it, right? It's possible. And yes, very very important is to breathe when you're exercising. Okay, do not hold your breath, because that usually tends to shoot up your blood pressure, which we do not want, right? And you want to breathe in usually during the less strenuous part of the exercise, and breathe out when it's more strenuous for you. So like for an ab crunch, you want to breathe in while you're going down and breathe out when you're coming up while you're crunching, right? So that's what you want to definitely make sure that you breathe. It's extremely essential. And progression, like I said, if you're using your body weight, you could progress your repetitions. So you could start with holding 5 seconds, go up to 10 seconds, do a set of say 5, 8, okay, go on to about doing 10 to 12. You do not want to, if you're using weights, you do not want to use something that's too heavy for you. Okay, you want to start off slow. You want to use a weight that at least lets you reach and about say 8 repetitions. You want to reach that level where you can do 8 reps comfortably using that weight, and then you increase your sets. So you probably do 3 sets of 8, and then maybe do 3 sets of 10, and then maybe do more as you get better. Okay, try and reach about 12. That's what your target is before you progress with the weight. Okay, so I want you to take care of certain things before we start this. It's going to be a basic program which is going to involve large group muscles. Okay, and of course it's very important to warm your body before you do this. So maybe a little walk, or a slight jog, spot jogging or something like that, and to stretch your muscles up at cool down. Okay, that is important to prevent any injuries. Go slow. Check with your doctor in case you have any issues like blood pressure, asthma, or any other condition. You want to make sure you do that. And yeah, that's about it, I think. Okay, wear comfortable clothes, shoes if you need to, and choose the right weight. Don't go overboard, just go slow. And let's get started. with our strength training. I'll be posting some exercises tomorrow, and let's see how that goes. Okay, thank you. Bye.